The all-new Tesla Model Y sunshade, once taken out of its portable carrying case, can be flipped open. The surface fabric is elegant, durable, and long-lasting. Placed along the length of the windshield and held together by Velcro strapping. While there are many privacy curtains and sunshades on the market, very few have the thermal properties of this product. It is comprised of 4 layers of complementary material, which both shield the driver from heat as well as UV rays. When it is not being used, it can easily be folded, placed back into its portable carrying case, and stored within a compartment of the vehicle.